What's up, guys? It's Brandon Flash here. Just about to head out from my house. We are headed up to Bartlett Lake today. We're gonna be driving up through Scottsdale and then through Carefree and then east over to Bartlett Lake. Maybe head to Bartlett Dam as well. Wanted to update you guys on my fast as well. I'm about 62 hours into my 65-hour fast. Feeling surprisingly energized, but a little bit physically weak, so I'm glad to be eating again tonight. I'll probably have a salad and go wrap or something like that to break the fast, maybe some In-N-Out, who knows. But overall feeling really good. I've lost about 5 pounds already just in that 60 hours, so feeling really good. Glad I did it. I've done this before and I definitely recommend doing it. I'll probably start doing 48-hour fasts fairly often. Maybe every other week or so, just being that 48 hours is a lot less stress on your body and you still get a lot of the benefits. So anyway, let's head out and head up there. Made it to Bartlett Lake. That was a fun drive. I enjoyed that this drive, it has quite a few more open spots so you can actually get some speed, obviously when safe. So gonna take some photos here. We've got the lake back there, lots of trucks with boats and things, but I'll take some photos. I'll show you guys my new license plate. I got my vanity plate in the mail, and then do some more driving, maybe do a little off-roading as well. Got my new plate in the mail, future now. Yeah, here's Bartlett Lake. Well, unfortunately, it looks like I can't go on dirt road off-roading as much as I would like to, because this road is actually closed. So I've gone here before and it was a fun drive. It goes all the way to the actual dam, which was pretty cool to see, but fortunately can't get there today. All right, we're headed to the Camelback Road, Phoenix Supercharger. But first I'm gonna stop at In-N-Out. I wanna get some animal fries. That's gonna be my breaking fast meal. I'm gonna have an actual meal when I get home, but I really want some animal fries. So yeah, we'll hit the drive-thru and then head to the Supercharger and eat them there. Made it to In-N-Out, crazy long line as usual, but getting my animal fry and then heading to the Supercharger. Got my In-N-Out, let's get plugged in here. Pulled in at 13%. And yeah, let's get charged up and eat some In-N-Out. So I did make it the full 65 hours of my fast, and animal fries are gonna be my first item after breaking this fast. And yeah, I definitely feel great after doing it, but a little bit less energy, but overall mental awareness is, I'd say, higher than usual. But yeah, happy it's over because I enjoy food. All right, just about to head out here from the Camelback Supercharger. Was editing some photos and getting some Instagram posts queued up. Again, if you don't follow me, at Brandon Flash, it's written out in the description below. But yeah, getting those queued up and about to head out. I'm gonna wash my car on the way home. I'll make a separate video about how I wash my car, just so that way you guys can see. But it's using touchless car wash, and yeah, look out for that video. Stopped at Fry's for some food, just some basic stuff. Now headed to the car wash. All right, just cleaned my car. It's all nice and shiny. Recorded a video, so be on the lookout for that. That will probably be uploaded after today's vlog, but once it's up, I will link it in this video. So depending on when you're watching it, it might be linked. Otherwise, hit the subscribe button as well as the bell icon, and that way you'll be notified when that video comes out. Made it home. Again, thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video and you want to check out some more of my content, hit that like button down below. Also hit the subscribe button. Those both really help my channel. So thank you guys. If you have any questions, comments, suggestions, would love to hear them. Drop them in the comments below. Thank you.